So in this video I'll be making orange cake, guys. So here is my 2 oranges washed already. I'm slicing it. What I'm doing here is because I don't have orange juicer, so mine got spoiled. I don't even know that it got spoiled until I wanted to use it today. I discovered that it's not working. So here I am cutting it. I will be blending it. So I'll be taking you guys along step by step, guys. So I'm done with the orange. I set that aside. So next step now, I'll be measuring my dry ingredients. So guys, continue watching. God bless you. I will take you guys along step by step in case you are interested. So make this delicious moist orange cake. So today the first day I see my video. You are highly welcome. God bless you for stopping by. Please subscribe, turn up the notification bell in case I upload you be notified. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. God bless you. I do not take you guys for granted. So here is my 3 eggs crack and I just mixed it a little bit. I'll be adding all the ingredients now step by step. So this is 1 cup of orange juice, just orange juice. I did not added any water to it. So I will be adding 1 cup of oil, just normal regular groundnut oil, the one you have in the kitchen. You can use any oil of your choice, guys. So I'll be adding the flour little by little. So guys, in case you are interested of this moist orange cake, you use the same cup for everything. So get the measurement correct, follow the process, and you love this orange cake. So this is what we are looking for, not too thick, not too watery. So I set my oven already about 10 minutes ago. I will be baking the cake for about 30 to 40 minutes. Let's go to the next step, guys. As our cake is in the oven baking, and here is my orange juice, that's half cup. I will be making orange syrup here. That's sugar, 3 tablespoons of sugar. syrup is ready, guys. This is what we are looking for. Did you see that? So our cake is ready, guys. Next step, guys, I will be adding the orange syrup inside my cake, just like that. This process before you remove the cake from the pan. Add everything. This cake is so yummy, guys. You need to try it, eh? You need to try it. Your family will love this cake, definitely. So here is our cake, guys. So fluffy, yummy, moist. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. You see what you if you like what you are seeing. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell in case I upload. You'll be notified. God bless you. And see you next time in next video. Bye.